So we are here at Ketibandar, where we are planting mangroves with the help of Sindh Forest Department and Indus Delta Capital. Mangroves increases the biodiversity of the delta and are important to mitigate the effects of the climate change because mangroves absorbs 4 times more carbon dioxide than other trees, and fish use these mangroves as their breeding sites and they're enjoying a lot. The restoration project covers more than 600,000 hectares and it will take several years to complete unless we find some better and faster solutions for this.
Inverto is working together with Delta Blue Carbon to speed up the planting of mangroves here in the Indus Delta by combining latest technology and local know-how.
I am Alamgir Khan Gandapu. I am the Managing Director of Delta Blue Carbon projects which are being implemented here in Sindh province, Pakistan. The drone approach, besides money and time savings, also has the benefit that through it we can approach high-lying areas or otherwise difficult to approach areas.
More than 100,000 Avicennia marina seeds, that's the local mangrove species, over more than 100 hectares here in the Indus Delta. And the local fisheries will see an increase in their fish population.
जंगल की वजह से खूबसूरती भी बढ़ी है और मतलब ये कि हमें मछली की भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो है वो भी बरकत हुई है अल्लाह की कुदरत से, तो इसकी जंगल की वजह से हमें बहुत कुछ फ़ायदा हुआ है.
Inverto and Delta Blue Carbon will now monitor the planted areas to assess the efficiency of our method and then to continue to plant mangroves.